Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Ange-Gardien is a small municipality in southern Quebec located in the Monteregie region between Montreal and Sherbrooke. The community is part of the Rouville Regional County Municipality and has a population of just over 2,000 people. The area is known for its farmland, open countryside, and long agricultural history. Like many villages across Quebec, Ange-Gardien developed around farming, religion, and local family businesses, creating a strong sense of community that continues today. The first European settlers arrived in this region during the 18th century when New France was expanding east of Montreal. Farmers were drawn to the fertile soil and access to transportation routes that connected rural communities with larger markets. Over time, small farms and homes spread across the landscape, helping establish the foundations of modern Ange-Gardien. The municipality officially formed during the 19th century, during a period when many rural Quebec communities were growing through agriculture and parish life. The name Ange-Gardien means guardian angel, a reflection of the strong Catholic traditions that shaped much of Quebec's history. For generations, the local church served as the center of daily life. Churches in rural Quebec were not only places of worship, but also gathering places where people met for celebrations, announcements, and community events. The church steeple often became the tallest structure in town and a symbol of local identity. Even today, many villages across Quebec continue to preserve these historic buildings as reminders of their cultural roots. Agriculture remains one of the most important parts of life in Ange-Gardien. The surrounding fields produce crops such as corn and soybeans, while dairy farming also plays a major role in the local economy. The Monteregie region is one of the most productive farming areas in Canada, thanks to its rich soil and moderate climate. Throughout the year, the landscape changes dramatically, from green summer fields to colorful autumn harvests and snow-covered farmland during winter. The area around Ange-Gardien is also tied closely to the seigneurial system used during the time of New France. Under this system, land was divided into long, narrow strips that allowed farmers access to roads and waterways. This layout shaped much of the countryside across southern Quebec and can still be recognized today from above or while traveling through the region. Many rural roads follow patterns that were first established hundreds of years ago. Because of its location along Highway 10, Ange-Gardien has remained connected to larger cities while still keeping its rural setting. The highway links the municipality to Montreal and the eastern townships, making the area accessible for both residents and travelers. Nearby communities such as Granby and Saint-Hyacinthe provide shopping, services, and regional attractions, while Ange-Gardien continues to reflect the slower pace of small-town Quebec life. Over the years, the municipality has gradually changed as farming technology improved and transportation routes expanded across the province. Some residents work locally in agriculture and small businesses, while others travel to nearby cities for employment. Despite these changes, the community has maintained many of the traditions and cultural influences that shaped rural Quebec during earlier centuries. Older homes, barns, and churches remain part of the landscape, connecting the present day with the region's past. Today, Ange-Gardien represents a side of Quebec that is strongly connected to farming, local history, and French-Canadian heritage. Visitors passing through the area can see how generations of settlement shaped the land and the community over time. From its historic parish roots to its modern agricultural economy, Ange-Gardien offers a look at the enduring character of rural southern Quebec and the traditions that continue to influence life across the region. Thanks for watching!